Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, which name is Altics Pro. Here under this playlist guys, we are going to cover business problems and their solutions. So our today's class problem statement is that how we can calculate top and bottom end on the basis of products, countries, names, brands and so on. And we will learn multiple ways to calculate top and bottom end. So let's begin our class guys and jump into this Power BI desktop screen. So here we have entered in Power BI desktop screen and I have imported one table here guys, which name is table underscore one. Here under this table guys, we have taken very less columns like names, products, country, sales and so on. So I want to calculate guys top 3 highest selling products. So let's learn multiple ways of calculating top 3 products in Power BI. So let's go to this report view guys. So firstly guys, I will simply pick this table visual from here, and under table visual guys, I will simply drag this product column from here and simply drag this sales column, which gives you summarize of each product and its sales. And now guys, let's increase the value size of this table visual. So simply go here under this format your visual and click here under this value section. And from here guys, you can increase the value size. Similar way, I will also increase the column headers. And now guys, firstly let's learn the simple way of creating top end with this filter pane. So you don't need to use any DAX function guys to calculate top numbers. So with the help of this filter pane guys, we can easily figure out top end products. So let's learn how we can use this filter pane without using any DAX function. So here under this filter on this visual guys, I will simply select this product field and click here under this drop down. And here you guys can see, here we have some filter type. So let me click here under this drop down guys and simply select top N. So we want to fetch top 3 products. So I'll simply put it number here, which is 3. So if I want to calculate top 1 guys, so I will simply write 1. But this time we are calculating top 3 products. That's why I have taken 3. And here under this by value parameter guys, you simply need to take that column which you want to calculate here under this table visual. So here I am calculating the sales. So I'll simply select the sales column and drop here under this by value parameter and click here on this apply filter. So see guys, this visual is returning only top 3 products. So the highest selling product is butter, second highest selling is fruit and the third highest selling is milk. So this is the very easiest way guys of calculating top and sale. So you can simply take any product, country, regions, state, city, brand and so on. And now let me place this side here. And now guys, let's learn how to calculate top and sales with measure. So let me simply copy this visual guys and paste it here. And let me remove both the fields from here. And here under this table visual guys, let me simply select product column here. And now I will take this sales column from here. So here we guys can see all the products with its sales. So let's suppose you want to calculate top end with measure. Here we need to apply the rankx function. And after apply the rankx function guys, we need to apply one logic. So to use the rankx function guys, firstly we need to calculate the sum of sales under the separate measure. So what I will do guys, I will simply go here under this 3 dot and click here on the new measure. And let me rename the measure name as, let's say, total underscore sales. And this sales column guys, I will take here under this sum function, sum of sales and bracket close. And now guys, let's apply rankx function. So I will simply go here under this 3 dots and click here on this new measure. And let me rename this measure name as ranking. And now I will use my function here, which is rank x. So the first parameter of rankx function is table name. So guys, if you're using the same rankx function with calculated column, so you guys can take the same table name here under this table parameter, because calculated columns work on a row level. But as you know guys, measures are the filter context. So we need to restrict the filtration while creating the measure. So what I will do guys, to stop the filtration here, I will use all function under this table parameter. And under all function guys, I will directly take the column name where I want to apply the ranking. So I want to apply the ranking on the basis of product column because we are calculating top 3 products. So here under this all parameter guys, we need to take this product column and bracket close, comma, and the next parameter says expression. So we need to take the sales column, but we have already created this measure guys, which is total sales. So instead of writing sum of sales guys, I will simply use total sales measure here under expression parameter, comma, and under value parameter guys, you can simply skip this parameter or you can put it 1. And now put it comma guys, and here under this order parameter, I will choose descending so that I can see the ranking largest to smallest. And last but not the least, I will simply choose dance rank here under ties parameter and close the bracket and hit enter. So guys, we have created this measure here, and now let me select this measure and drag and drop it here under this table visual. So here we guys can see it assigned the rank on the basis of sum of sales. Highest number it's returning 1. Second highest it's returning 2. Third highest returning 3 and so on. So let me sort this ranking measure from here. So in this way you can sort this ranking measure. And here under this visual guys, you guys can see the same top 3 numbers which you have assigned ranking. So after applying the ranking function guys, you can again use the filter pane. So what you can do guys, simply select the visual and simply remove this ranking column from here, and the same ranking measure guys you can use with this filter pane, and you can simply restrict your measures with these operators is less than or equal to 2, is greater than, so you can choose your operator accordingly. So this time guys, I want to restrict ranking is less than or equal to 2. So I'll simply select this second operator from here and simply put it 3 and click here on this apply filter. So see guys, you can see the same numbers with the help of this ranking measure. So this is the logic guys. You can apply rank function, and after applying the rank function guys, you can use this filter pane or restrict with this less than equal to 3. But if you want to create any specific measure with if condition guys, so you guys can also use if condition without using filter pane. So let's try another way of applying the same logic. So what I will do guys, let me simply remove this ranking from this filter pane. And now I am going to create one more measure with if logic. So I will simply go ahead under this three dot and click here on this new measure. And here guys, let's say I will write my measure name top underscore 3 products. So ranking guys, we have already calculated here with the help of measure. So I will simply apply the logic here. If so the first parameter of if condition says logical test. So I want to apply logical test on my ranking function. So I'll simply use my measure name here, which name is ranking. And as I already said guys, you can use same operator here, which is less than equal to 3. That is the logic guys, which you can apply while filtering top 3 products. So if your ranking is less than equal to 3, comma, under this result true parameter guys, I want to see this total sales measure. So I'll simply write my measure name here, which is total sales. Else, although you can leave it as blank or you can write the formula. So here I am writing the formula of blank. So under false parameter guys, I have taken blank parameter and close this formula guys and hit enter. And now guys, what can I do here? I will simply remove the sum of sales and I will take this newly created measure. So let me select this measure and drop here under this table visual. So see guys, with the help of same logic, you can see the same result. And you can also store both the formulas in the variables so that you can merge both the formulas. So I hope you guys are clear with this second approach of calculating top and products. And now guys, let's create one more measure to see top and products. So this time guys, I will calculate top and products with top and measure. But this logic guys is little bit tricky as compared to this ranking measure. So simply guys, let me copy this visual from here and now let me paste it here and simply remove both the fields. So again I will take product column here and let's create another measure. So I will simply go here under this new measure guys, and let's say this time my measure name would be top underscore 3 underscore product, and under bracket guys I am putting 2. So this time we will create this measure with calculate and top and logic. So let's start to write our DEX query guys with calculate. So I will simply write calculate, and under expression parameter guys, I will simply take this total sales measure instead of writing sum of sales. So I'll directly use total sales, comma, and under filter expression guys, I will simply use top and function. So guys, let's discuss how we can use this top and function with calculate, because top and function is a table manipulation function guys, so it's return only table, but we are using with calculate, so it's returning virtual table here under this measure. So the first parameter of top n says n value, so I want to calculate top 3 guys, so I'll simply write 3 comma, and the next parameter says table name. So guys, here we need to apply the same logic which you need to apply in the rank x function, because you need to remove the filtration here under this table. So again I will use all parameter. All parameter guys, I will simply take the same column name which is products and bracket close. So this is the main catch of this formula guys. Under table parameter, you need to take that column name where you want to apply the ranking with all function, comma, and under order by expression guys, we need to calculate the sales. So again I will use the same measure which is total sales. And now let's close this bracket with calculate. So guys, what we have written here under this formula, we have simply calculate sum of sales of top 3 products. That means if you apply this formula here under this table visual guys, so it will give you the sum of top 3 products which is 80500. So let me hit enter guys, and let's check the calculation guys how it returns here under this table visual. So here we guys can see this formula adding the top 3 products, but this is not returning the top 3 products here under this visual. It is just only getting the sum of sales of top 3 products. So let's add another filter here under this top 3 product formula. So what you need to do guys, simply remove this bracket and put it comma, and you need to apply one more additional filter. So with the help of values function guys, we can take next filter expression. So I will simply use values, and this value function guys, it ensures that the calculation only considers the product that exists in the current filter context. So I'll simply take column name which is products and bracket close guys and hit enter. And now you guys can see the view has changed. Now it is only getting top 3 products. So this is the another way guys where you can display top 3 products. I know guys, this logic is little bit tricky as compared to ranking logic, but here under this class we are learning multiple ways. So you guys can opt any of the ways as per your requirement. And I would like to highlight one more thing guys. If you check this ranking measure here, so don't get confused with this total. This is the total of all the sales. If I take card visual here guys, and if I drop this sales column here under this card visual, so the total sales is 101k. So let me convert into the exact number. So simply change the call out value from here, from display unit auto to none. So this is the total sales guys, which is reflecting here under this ranking logic, which you have previously used with if condition. So now you have learned multiple ways of creating top 3 products. And now let's discuss bottom 3. So let me copy this visual guys and paste it here under this bottom and page. So let's suppose this time I want to see bottom 3 products. So if you want to calculate bottom 3 with the filter pane guys, so what you need to do, simply go here under this product field and simply go here under this show item and change from top to bottom. And now let's hit apply filter. So see guys, now it's returning bottom 3. And here I have misspelled the product fruit. And if you want to display the top 3 products with the measure guys, so you simply need to change the order from descending to ascending. So let me go here under this top and page guys and simply select the visual. So here under this visual guys, we have taken this top underscore 3 product measure. So here under this ranking measure guys, we need to change the logic. So simply go here under this ranking measure, and instead of descending guys, simply take ascending and hit enter. So here we guys can see the bottom 3 products, which is 7100, 12700 and 500. And if you want to cross check with this bottom man, which we have used with the filter pane, so see guys, numbers are same. So I hope you guys are clear with this logic. And if you guys also wants to calculate bottom n with the help of this top n logic guys, so what you guys can do, simply go here under this top n function. And after expression parameter guys, simply put it comma. So you guys can see we have the option order parameter. So again you need to select ascending here and hit enter. So see guys, now it is getting the same number. So these are our bottom 3 products. So I hope you guys are clear with this logic. And now guys, let's discuss one more problem statement. So here is the problem statement guys. So suppose guys, if client wants to see top 3 products of each country, that means they wanted to see country wise top 3 products. So let's learn how we can visualize top 3 products of each country. So let's move towards the Power BI desktop screen, and here I am creating one more tab. Let's say my tab name would be top 3 products of each country. And now guys, I will simply take this matrix visual from here, and here under this rows parameter guys, I will simply take country column, as well as I will also take products. And here under this values parameter guys, I will simply take sales column here. And now let me expand all the countries. To click this plus icon, so here I can simply see country and its product, but it is not getting the top 3. So what I will do guys, I will follow the same logic. So I will simply go here under this ranking function guys, and firstly let me change the order. Let's say descending, else it would display bottom 3 of each country. And now let me drag this measure here under this values parameter. So here we can see it's written the ranking as per the products of each country. If you also want to restrict with less than equal to 3 guys, so you guys can restrict the filter pane with less than equal to 3. So this measure guys we have already taken here. Simply go here under this drop down guys and restrict with less than or equal to 3 and click here on this apply filter. So see guys, you can clearly see all the top 3 products of each country. And if you guys don't want to display this ranking measure, so simply remove this values parameter. And now I can only see country and top 3 products with its sales. So I hope you guys are clear with this tutorial. And now you guys can clearly answer this question in an interview. If someone asks top 3 products, so you guys can use all the logics which we have studied here under this today's tutorial. So there are many more ways guys of calculating top numbers. So just explore by yourself. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And those who are new to this channel, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And those who wants to learn Power BI or SQL from scratch, so you guys can follow this free YouTube channel which name is Analytics Pro. And if you scroll it down guys, so here you guys can see we have a full course Power BI playlist where I have explained each and every concept about Power BI in detail. And if you click here on this playlist button guys, so you guys will get to see multiple playlists are here. This is the Power BI full course playlist, and these are the advanced concepts of Power BI where you guys can take the knowledge of advanced concepts of Power BI. And we have this Power BI with SQL playlist where you guys can learn all the concepts of SQL from scratch. So you guys can start your SQL journey with this free YouTube channel. And along with that guys, we have this visualization playlist and we have this DAX expression playlist where we have covered most of the DAX functions from scratch which are majorly used in your projects. And here under this playlist, I am also trying to cover all the differences of DAX functions which is majorly asked in an interviews. And very soon guys, I will add some more playlists so that you guys can take better understanding of the analytical skills. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone. But those who are looking only live sessions, so we guys also conduct live training and sessions where we prepare candidates from scratch till intermediate level with some scenarios, real-time projects, assignments, notes and so on. And we also provide placement assistance with the help of WhatsApp group where you will get to see some HR emails, contact number and so on. And you guys can also follow us on Insta as well as Facebook. So all the links I will share under the description box. You guys can follow us there. So for free learners guys, you guys can follow this Analytics Pro, and for the live training and sessions, you guys can connect me any of the platform. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much. kindly hit the like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And those who wants to learn Power BI or SQL from scratch, so you guys can follow this free YouTube channel, which name is Analytics Pro. And if you scroll it down guys, so here you guys can see we have a full course Power BI playlist where I have explained each and every concept about Power BI in detail. And if you click here on this playlist button guys, so you guys will get to see multiple playlists are here. This is the Power BI full course playlist and these are the advanced concepts of Power BI where you guys can take the knowledge of advanced concepts of Power BI. And we have this Power BI with SQL playlist where you guys can learn all the concepts of SQL from scratch. So you guys can start your SQL journey with this free YouTube channel. And along with that guys, we have this visualization playlist and we have this DAX expression playlist where we have covered most of the DAX functions from scratch which are majorly used in your projects. And here under this playlist, I am also trying to cover all the differences of DAX functions which is majorly asked in an interviews. And very soon guys, I will add some more playlists so that you guys can take better understanding of the analytical skills. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone. But those who are looking only live sessions, so we guys also conduct live training and sessions where we prepare candidates from scratch till intermediate level with some scenarios, real-time projects, assignments, notes and so on. And we also provide placement assistance with the help of WhatsApp group where you will get to see some HR emails, contact number and so on. And you guys can also follow us on Insta as well as Facebook. So all the links I will share under the description box. You guys can follow us there. So for free learners guys, you guys can follow this Analytics Pro, and for the live training and sessions, you guys can connect me any of the platform. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.